So in this tutorial, we're just going to show how to upload slurry results, which may be gathered on the farm. So here we are on the home screen of PastureBase, and we have our tabs on the left. And again, if we look for lab results, we go across and we click for slurry results. And when this loads, we're going to add a new farm nutrient. So we could call this, for example, tank 1, or whatever name you want to give to the tank which may have been tested, or each individual tank. And we may this will be based on your results that you get back from the slurry analysis. So for this one, we're just going to use these examples. And then we just click calculate, and we can see they come up down below. Now also it has active yes or no. So if we want to use the slurry in our slurry applications on the farm, we leave it as yes, and then we click save. And then it appears here. And then when we want to use this slurry on the farm, we can go to fertilizer, slurry application, add new, and then we can select the paddocks on the farm we may wish to spread it on. And then in our fertilizer slurry option, we scroll all the way down to the name we've given the tank, which in this situation is tank 2. So here it is. And our application type is spring, and we're using the less. And we want to put it out amount per acre of 2,300 gallons. And we're putting it out in gallons. And we're putting it out on grass. And then we click save.